Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a quick introduction for one open source report I have built. With this program you can extract the executed transactions and or reports from the memory statistic on a user level. You can use the result, for example, to design new roles or to redesign your existing roles by excluding unused transactions. Why did I create this report? Basically 3 reasons. For one, when you look at the standard transaction ST03, you'll see that you're only able to view this kind of information per user. So you're not able to view and extract this kind of information for all users in one go. And for my use cases, this is simply not good enough. Second, I know that there are other reports out there which aim to do the same, but for one, most of them are not available free of charge. And I know that there is one open source report out there, which not only extracts the executed transactions and or reports, but it also compares them against the user's authorization, which, don't get me wrong, is a good thing, it's a great thing. But in my experience for larger systems, you can easily run into timeout errors using this approach. And lastly, you can also execute the relevant function module directly using the transaction SE37. But as you want to extract this kind of information from your production systems, it's not a good idea to assign SE37 authorization rights to anyone. And this is why I created this report. Like I said, it's a single report. You can extract the executed transactions and or reports on a user level for your system. You can do this for multiple months. And you receive a result file as a custom CSV format, where you can also set a custom delimiter for your columns. And last but not least, it's free of charge and it's also free for commercial use. Now let's look at the graphical user interface for a brief moment. You have your start from field. This is where you basically set the start date from where you want to start the extraction from, your month and year. Then in the second field, you tell the report, okay, I want the information for the following 3 months, 5 months, whatever. Then you have your extract target. This is basically your file name, how you want to name it on your client machine, your desktop for instance. Then you can set your custom delimiter, and you have 2 more options. You can for one say, okay, you're only interested in the executed transactions. Then you just enable the checkbox for get only transactions. And you can also tell the report to include the transaction and report descriptions from the system. And that's basically it. At the bottom you have your start extraction button. This of course starts the extraction process. And that's already it. You're good to go. When you take another look at the top left, you see an example result file with the column structure. I will not go into details regarding the single columns, because I think they are self-explanatory. And that's it for today. If you want to learn more about my company or my other tools, please visit www.zunburst.com. If you want to use this open source report, you will find the GitHub link down below in the description. And this is Sebastian signing out. As always, I wish you all the best. Have a good one.